Hi everyone, welcome back to Jack Reddington's channel. Jack's still away, so you've got me again. And today we're diving into something really exciting. How to master pro-level scalping using crypto trading signals. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome trading insights. Quick disclaimer alert. This video is purely for informational and entertainment purposes, not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Before we dive in, let's figure out first, what even is scalping? It's making quick, short-term trades, typically lasting from a few minutes up to an hour, aiming to snag small profits repeatedly. It's fast, fun, and profitable if done correctly. But how do you start scalping like a pro? Step 1. Choose a reliable crypto signals provider, like SignalCLI, that offers timely, professional-grade market insights. Good signals clearly identify entry and exit points, allowing you to quickly and confidently execute trades. By the way, if you're curious but hesitant, we offer one free signal per weekday on our Telegram channel. While these signals come with a slight delay compared to our premium platform, resulting in longer trades, they're a great way to see how our signals work firsthand. Or better yet, sign up directly on our website to experience the full benefits. But let's continue. Step 2. Be selective. Not every signal is ideal for scalping. Look for signals indicating clear, quick market moves. The goal is swift entry and exit with consistent small profits. Remember, signals aren't meant for blind following. They're an additional indicator supporting your analysis. Step 3. Keep your trades manageable. Scalping isn't about massive risky bets. It's about steady, controlled profits. Use small amounts you're comfortable trading, and carefully choose your leverage on your preferred exchange. Small trades equal lower risk and consistent growth, allowing flexibility if the market moves against you. Step 4. Timing and discipline. Scalping demands precision, quick entries and exits. Follow the signals exactly and avoid greed. Take profits as recommended. Discipline is crucial for successful scalping. Let's quickly walk through an example trade. You receive a professional signal from SignalCLI indicating an upward move. However, upon reviewing the market, you notice the price is at a peak and might retrace slightly. It's perfectly okay to wait briefly for a better entry point. Once you see a pullback, you enter your trade with an amount and leverage you're comfortable with. You follow the provided entry and exit points, and there you go. Profit secured quickly and efficiently. Repeat consistently and soon you'll be scalping like a pro. Avoid these common pitfalls. Holding trades too long, ignoring suggested stop-loss points, or impulsively increasing your trade size. Pro scalpers focus on quick, precise moves. Anything else can quickly turn into gambling. Now, let's talk about how flexibility and strategic thinking can turn a tricky situation into an opportunity. Let's dive into managing stop-losses. While our signals might occasionally suggest exiting a trade early, it doesn't mean you must follow blindly. If you're already in profit, set a positive stop-loss to lock in those gains and let your trade run. There's a good chance you'll secure even bigger profits this way. If your trade turns negative and you aren't comfortable taking a loss immediately, that's okay too. With smaller trade sizes, you have greater flexibility to manage positions. Wait for the market to stabilize and strategically adjust your entry points. Doubling up near the bottom of a retracement or doubling down at the top can shift challenging trades into profitable ones. Why small trades are your secret weapon. Remember when we talked about keeping your trades small in relation to your available margin? This is exactly why. Trades should be small enough so you can comfortably shut your laptop, enjoy your evening, and return in the morning to calmly manage your positions. Small trades let you adjust your trades patiently, even converting potential losses into wins. Does this strategy require time and patience? Absolutely. But if it keeps you profitable and stress-free, that's the most crucial aspect. Just make sure you have enough margin to handle multiple strategic adjustments. For example, can you comfortably double up or double down 5 times without risking liquidation? If the answer is yes, you're trading smartly. The key is comfort and control, not sweaty palms and racing hearts. Need additional guidance? Our support team offers dedicated training to walk you through this process step by step. Why trust signals from a professional provider like SignalCLI? Simple. We provide transparent, timely, and consistent signals specifically designed for short-term trades. Our signals incorporate insights from hundreds of indicators, boasting an average accuracy of about 80%. You can see real examples and results. ensuring complete clarity and confidence in your trading decisions. Ready to start pro-level scalping? Follow these tips, use professional signals wisely, and you'll master quick profits like a seasoned trader. Need more info or personalized training? Our support team is always ready to help. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for smarter scalping, and comment below about your scalping adventures. Jack, if you're tuning in, your channel's in good hands. Catch you all next time.